Today is Monday, August 4th, 2025, and I'm doing this video in my apartment in Port Huron, Michigan. This is Joanne Marie Rumford, and this is I'm taking a video on my TV set of it's Port Huron, Michigan, USA, Stream Time Live, and I'm showing the Canadian wildfire smoke that's lingering here in Port Huron, Michigan, and across the border in Ontario, Canada. And that's the Starlight Casino across the river there in Point Edward, Ontario, Canada. And it'll be coming up is the Blue Water Bridge. You could see the haze in the sky, the hazy, smoky sky. You could also smell it. You could smell the fire, the smoke from the fires, the wildfires in Canada. But also there's fires here in the United States too. But the fire smoke is coming from Canada, from the northwest. There's the Blue Water Bridge. As you can see, the sun is rising now in the east in Canada over the Blue Water Bridge. Okay, I'm going to take you outside and show you the outside. I don't know if you could see it with a picture. The naked eye, you could see more of the hazy sky in that. So I'll take you outside. And here is the time right now. It's 8:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So I'll take you outside. That's looking east. And there's a street light. That's looking southeast. That's looking south. That's looking southwest. And that's looking west. And I'll get in it. Hello, good morning. Yeah, you can see mostly in the trees too, the haze. Focus on the tree on Parkway there. Right there. You can see the haze. Okay, I'll take you back in my apartment. Um, like I said, it's a little bit past now, 8:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So let's go back on the TV set. I'm going to ask my Hey Google what the temperature is. Oh, I'll put that first. There's the International Flag Plaza right there.
Currently in Port Huron, it's 18 degrees.
Okay, hey Google, what temperature is it Fahrenheit in Port Huron?
Currently in Port Huron, Michigan, United States, it's 64 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Hey Google, what is the humidity?
The current humidity in Port Huron, Michigan, United States is 93%.
It's 93%. Hey Google, what's the wind?
In Port Huron, Michigan, United States right now, the wind is from the east at 6 kilometers per hour.
It's 6 kilometers per hour from the east. And there's the International Flag Plaza. You see the flags aren't flying very high. I'll get in it. Hello. You can see some boats on the water. There's a sailboat there. And it looks like there's boats out there fishing, probably, people fishing. But it's very hazy, so be careful out there with this weather, especially if you got asthma or if you have any kind of health conditions. Maybe getting out of a hospital or something and you have a breathing problem, so be careful. This is Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan, and today is Monday, August 4th, 2025. Take care. Bye.